You can build cohesive messaging campaigns in Intercom using series. You can create short series, which are just 1 or 2 messages long, or design multi-message campaigns. Let's take a look at how you can create your own. Series is a visual builder, so you create your campaigns on this canvas using blocks. You can use 4 block types, which you'll find here. Rule blocks let you define the data you'd like to use to make something happen. Message blocks let you send any of the message types available to you based on those rule blocks. Action blocks let you perform different types of actions in the customer journey, like waiting, tagging, or testing. And notes are private comments for you and your team, which your customers can't see. You can drag blocks onto the canvas, like this. We'll use a note block to start this onboarding campaign example. Then, we'll add a rule block. This is where you define the filters that a customer must meet to enter the series or to receive specific messages within your campaign. You can filter based on customer or company data attributes, or even interactions with previous parts of a series, like if the messages you send are interacted with or not. Here we'll target users who signed up less than 2 days ago. Hover your mouse here to choose the action you'd like to trigger next. We're going to add a message block. This is the content that your customers receive within your campaign, so once they match the rule block, they'll get the message you create. In this example, customers get a post message within 2 days of signing up to our app. To target customers who have opened this post, we can add a tag here. It's a good idea to name all of your blocks, so I'm naming this tag Received Welcome Post. You can create new tags here, but I'll use this tag I've already made. If a customer doesn't match the rules of your message block immediately, you can choose how long they should try to match the rules for on a block-by-block basis, so they don't miss any important messages. You can also customize the experience if they don't come online or match the block within the time frame you set. So here, they'll receive an email that brings them back into our product. Before customers continue on through the series, we want to add a wait block here, so there's a few days in between messages. A/B testing lets you create test experiences within a series to help you achieve the best outcomes from your campaigns. Like if a product tour or a banner performs better for new users. And finally, webhooks can be used to trigger actions in other apps outside of your series and Intercom. Before you save your series and set it live, make sure to edit your settings here. You can set a goal for your series, define exit rules to choose who should leave your series and when, and set what to do when a customer belongs to multiple companies. When you're ready, you can hit Save and Close and set your series live.